Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. So today we are going to be unboxing this 60-minute magnetic mechanical visual countdown timer by Secura. So I got it from Amazon and I like this one because you don't need a battery for it to operate, and it is also really big so you can see it from afar. So let's open it up. So here is the item. So it's around 8 inches, 8 by 8 inches, as you can see. And to operate, I actually have already read the instruction, which also comes here. So for first time users, to set time, you have to turn the knob all the way to 55 for it to operate. So do it like this. As you can see, it's really cute, that rainbow.
Can I do it?
You have to go all the way to 55 and then put it to the right time that you want. For example, if you want to do 30 minutes, or if you want to do 15. Right now I'm just gonna put it really close to 0 so that you will see how loud it is. Let's do it really close. So that is the sound. So that's pretty easy to operate, and I like that it's really big. As you can see the back, you can hang it here with a screw. There are 2 magnetic pieces here that are pretty big, so you can attach it on the fridge, and it also comes with a stand, so you can, this item will stand up. The stand, you would have to, it snaps. It's kind of hard to snap.
Can I change it?
So just a precaution, you can turn the knob counterclockwise. It might ruin the clock. So you can do it like this, for example, like this. You can do it all the way going back. And if you reach 55, like so, like this, if you reach 55, you can go, don't go over 55, overlap it, because it's going to ruin the mechanism. So those are just the two important things that you need to follow, but the rest is easy to follow. So this is our visual time, our visual alarm clock.
45.